Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how you can save battery on your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's get started. Open your phone app settings, scroll down and search for the battery. Now here you can see you have the battery saver options. You can tap on the battery saver that will secure your battery for 21 hours, right? So you can just simply turn on this feature and you will see that this battery saver will be on, but it will restrict some of your applications usage. Also you can use ultra battery saver, which can give you 56 hour battery timing. And you can see if you tap on this, so ultra battery saver restricts most power consuming features and decrease your device performance in order to leave basic functionality, for example calls, SMS and connected to the network, available as long as possible. And turn on the ultra battery saver. Simply tap on the OK and this will turn on your ultra battery saver. So this is how you can increase your battery storage timing. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.